Hi lovelies, I'm Sara Lynn, also known as the Domestic Geek. We're going to get started by preparing our turkey taco filling. This is really, really simple. I've got a skillet on the stove. To that, I am going to add a good drizzle of oil. We're working with ground turkey here. We'll get that right into the pan. Get a little sizzle happening. That's always a good sign. I always recommend to make a double batch of this filling because it freezes really, really well and you can thaw it and put it in just about anything. Now we are going to start to build in our flavor. You'll see I'm not gonna season this with any additional salt and pepper. There's quite a bit of salt in that taco seasoning already. So it is time to get our sweet potatoes stuffed. To make them look extra pretty and also to create a bit of a reservoir for our filling, I like to just use a fork to fluff up the flesh. The last step is going to be just seasoning them. You don't have to get crazy, but I always think doing this at this point is never a bad idea. Voila, our potatoes are ready to be stuffed. Now, depending on the size of your sweet potatoes, you may have a little extra filling left over. That is never a bad thing. You could serve this with some rice the next day for lunch, or you could throw it in some chili. It's really versatile. You can store it in the fridge for up to 3 days, or just put it in the freezer for up to 3 months. For a weeknight meal, you definitely cannot ask for more than this. These are loaded with protein and lots of fiber, super filling, but also super flavorful. And there you have it, dinner is served. And for more great recipes just like this, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network.